It has been a while since an album has put forward devotional numbers to the mass front. This time, none other than singer Sonu Nigam is out with the endeavour of his soulful devotional album Maha Ganesha. We went to record the album release, which was launched at the most suited place, Mumbai's famous Siddhi Vinayak Temple. Singer Sonu Nigam, along with his wife Madhurima and son Nivan, took blessings at the temple and then unveiled his new album. COO of Times Music, Adarsh Gupta, was also present to promote the album. With the famous Indian festival Ganesh Chaturthi being 3 weeks away, the timing seems just perfect for a devotional Lord Ganesha album.
Gajanana, Gajanana, Vighna Vinayak Gajanana.
Sonu Nigam, an established playback singer of Bollywood and known for his distinct style and versatile voice, with the launch of his brand new devotional album, is set to woo the devotional nerves of the people.
कम से कम पब्लिक ये ना बोले, सुनने वाले ये ना बोले कि इसने कोई भी साधारण या मीडियोकर काम किया है, वो इस एल्बम में भी दिखेगा आपको. It's an extraordinary album.
The makers of Sing is King have been finding new ways to promote their movie. One such out-of-the-box event was the paintings at the exhibition were the creation of talented painter Anjana. The event was held for two primary reasons. One, in order to promote the film, and second, to pay tribute to the Sardar community on which the film is based. The paintings, which are theme and concept based, were opened and autographed by Akshay Kumar and Katrina Kaif. Akshay and Katrina themselves are featured in the paintings. The paintings are set against the backdrop of ancient and village-based Punjab. These paintings are likely to open up for auction with the money going in for charity. But while that is on the future cards, it's time now to relish the success and such massive impact of Sing is King. The well-established Indian diamond jewellery brand Geetanjali, on its 25 years of establishment, celebrated the event with great fervour. The event opened with host and singer Mansi Scott performing live. Mr. Choksi, owner of the Geetanjali brand, initiated the event. Bipasha Basu and Neha Dupia, the two main faces of the renowned brand, walked the ramp and spoke their bits on the 25-year success of the Gilly brand that they endorse.
Gilly definitely stands for youth, emotions, feelings.
Geetanjali as a brand just totally rocks.
Supermodels like Mugdha Godse and Tupur Chatterjee walked the ramp wearing Geetanjali jewellery along with the designer outfits based on varied themes. Amongst the famous celebrity faces was Samira Reddy and Peryazad Zorabian. The 25 years of the Gilly brand and its celebration was an extensively successful event studded with Bollywood stars. Vikram Bhatt's upcoming movie 1920 held its music release. The music of the movie is done by Adnan Sami. 1920's music sets off a very unique and high rank amid Pandit Jasraj making his film debut with his vocals for the song Vada Raha. Other top-class singers like Shubha Mudgal, Kailash Kher and Asha Bhosle have given their talented voices to the music of 1920. The star couple of 1920, Ada Sharma and Rajneesh Duggal, looked very much excited at the music launch of their debut movie. Rakhi Sawant, who has done a dance number for 1920, performed live on the occasion of its music release. Director Vikram Bhatt spoke about his own thrill and delights at his movie's music launch.
मैं बहुत ही डरता हूँ और जो डर मैं महसूस करता हूँ वो महसूस करके मैं कहानी लिखता हूँ.
1920 with such great musical opening is set to warm the charts with great melodies. The long-awaited film Sing is King has finally released and has been doing really well at the box office. It seems like Akshay Kumar has another hit to his name, and this time it's a brilliant blockbuster. To celebrate this huge success, the cast and makers of Sing is King threw a success party. director of the movie Anis Bazmi and producer Vipul Shah were the main attendants at the event. Om Puri, Sudhanshu Pandey, Yashpal Sharma, Manoj Pawar, the supporting stars of the movie were present with the king of the film, Akshay Kumar himself. Actress of the movie Neha Dupia was also present with her boyfriend. However, famous Bollywood director Vidhu Vinod Chopra, good friend of Akshay Kumar, came in to be a part of the celebration. Sing is King's success party was an extremely joyful and happy event.